A very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my English class. Today we are going to learn the new poem, and the name of the poem is The Elephant. It is on page number E40. So children, please take out page number E40 from your English literature book. Children, in today's period we are going to recite the poem and we will be covering explanation as well. So children, watch the video till end to understand this poem. Children, have you seen an animal with a long trunk? Yes, that is the elephant. So let us learn about the elephant poem. Children, this poem is about elephant. In this poem, we will learn that elephants are strong and great. And it's the largest animal on land. Is there an animal bigger than an elephant? There is no animal bigger than an elephant. The elephant is the largest, most powerful animal on land. Right, children? Now children, we are going to recite the poem, but before that we will do warm-up activity on page number 39. The elephant warm-up. Write the things that you think an elephant can do. Children, as you can see in the first picture, the elephant is showing stunt, and the elephant shows its stunt in the circus. And children, we have seen elephant doing stunt in circus. In the second picture, we enjoy elephant rides. Riding on elephant is a lot of fun. And in third picture, the elephant is painting. If you have seen an elephant painting, then only you can tick mark here. Now we are going to recite the poem. So please keep your finger on the line and try to read after me. The elephant surely is grand. It's the largest creature on land, with jumbo-sized ears. No wonder it hears for miles from where it may stand. The elephant surely is great. Over 5 tons is its weight, with jumbo-sized feet, plus a mouth that can eat more than 700 pounds on its plate. The elephant surely is strong, with ivory tusks, sharp and long, and the heaviest chunk it can lift with its trunk. Yes, an elephant just cannot go wrong. The poet it is describing is elephant as a grand animal. Grand means very big. And the fact is that it is the largest creature on land. Creature means? Yes, creature means anything which is living. So it's the largest creature on land. In the first paragraph, elephants are big. Elephants are the biggest animal that live on land. Elephant have long nose called trunk. Yes, na children? And elephant have big ears that can flap like fans. And the size of elephant ears is jumbo. Jumbo means very large. Elephant's skin is grey or black. Children, from where the elephant stands, he can hear for miles away. It is no wonder that the elephant is able to hear. But it is wonder that elephant is able to hear the miles from where it may stand. In the second paragraph, is there an animal bigger than an elephant? There is no animal bigger than an elephant. The elephant is the largest, most powerful animal on land. Right, children? An elephant is a huge animal. It is the strongest animal. It lives in forest. Elephants eat grass, green leaves, fruits, sugarcane, etc. Elephant is a very intelligent animal. And children, they live on grasslands and in forest. Elephants must eat most of the day to get the amount of food they need. An elephant must drink many liters of water too. And children, do you know that elephant weight more and more? The elephant weight more than 5 tons. Oh my God. And children, as you know, the elephant's feet are also very big and size in jumbo like ears. And he has a mouth, therefrom him eats. In the third paragraph, elephant is a very strong and big animal. Children, which is the strongest animal? Yes, right, the elephant. The elephant with ivory tusks and long. Here you can see ivory. Ivory means yellow or white color. And tusks. Tusks means very long pointed teeth of an elephant. The elephant has white and yellow color teeth. Right, children? And elephants' two teeth are very sharp and appear clearly because they are very large and very long pointed. And the heaviest chunk. Heaviest chunk means what? Heaviest means of great weight and difficult to lift or move. But here the elephant lifts the heaviest chunk. The elephant can lift very heavy things with the help of its trunk. Yes, an elephant just cannot go wrong. Yes, elephant can never be wrong. An elephant just cannot go wrong. Children, hope you understand this poem. This poem will be asked in oral. So, you have to remember it. This poem is very easy and interesting. Thank you.